Why eating a lot of fish helps women lose weight. The nutrients in fish help women's body female is more beautiful. Eating fish is often touted as a healthy dietary choice for a variety of reasons, including its potential weight loss benefits and positive effects on physical appearance, particularly for women. This article will delve into the scientific evidence behind the link between fish consumption and weight loss, as well as the specific nutrients found in fish that can promote beauty and overall health in women. High protein content. One of the primary reasons why eating fish can lead to weight loss is due to its high protein content. Protein is a key macronutrient that plays a critical role in maintaining and building lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts metabolism and aids in fat burning. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which can help to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness, leading to a lower overall calorie intake. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish is also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that has been linked to numerous health benefits. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and may also aid in weight loss by reducing insulin resistance, which can help to lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Iodine. Iodine is an essential mineral that is important for thyroid function and metabolism. Fish is a particularly rich source of iodine, which can help to regulate thyroid hormone production and support healthy metabolism. A healthy thyroid gland is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, and iodine deficiency can lead to weight gain and other negative health outcomes. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones and teeth, and also plays a role in weight regulation. Fish is one of the best dietary sources of vitamin D, and regular consumption of fatty fish like salmon or mackerel can help to ensure adequate intake of this important vitamin. Collagen. Fish also contains high levels of collagen, a protein that is critical for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Collagen is important for keeping skin elastic and youthful looking, and is also a key component of connective tissues in the body. Zinc. Zinc is an important mineral that is necessary for a wide range of bodily functions, including immune system function, wound healing, and healthy skin. Zinc is found in high concentrations in many types of fish, particularly shellfish like oysters and clams. Low caloric density. Many types of fish are also relatively low in calories, which can be beneficial for weight loss. For example, a 3-ounce serving of salmon contains just 121 calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Versatility. Fish is also an incredibly versatile food that can be prepared in a variety of ways, making it easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. Grilled, baked, or broiled fish can be a delicious and healthy addition to any meal, and can help to provide a range of nutrients that can promote overall health and well-being. In conclusion, the benefits of eating fish for women's health and beauty are numerous. Its high protein content, omega-3 fatty acids, iodine, vitamin D, collagen, zinc, low caloric density, and versatility make it an excellent food choice for those looking to lose weight, maintain a healthy weight, and promote overall health and beauty. By incorporating fish into your regular diet, you can take advantage of these benefits and enjoy a more beautiful, healthy, and attractive body.